What's up, y'all? Clean Cuts the One back with another video. It's good to be back. Don't be shocked, don't be surprised by the red face and the no glasses and why do I look crazy and what's going on. I stopped in the shop because sometimes, I don't know, like, I did videos like this before. Sometimes, man, I got so many topics on my mind, so I just had to come in and just make a video. And I know what I'm going to talk about, but I'm going to hit on a couple different things. But, like, sometimes, like, I go on these peaks of, like, just, oh my gosh, I just want to put something out. I'm not talking about content. I just want to grind. Like, it's 10 after 10 right now. And it's like I just got done working out right. I've been going so hard. I set myself on 25 reps. I'm doing 30 reps. I'm burning, you know what I mean? And I just want to keep going. And then after I stop working out, like, I still feel like I want to put something out. And it's like sometimes I go up here and sometimes I go down here. Like when I'm, you know, building my shop and just different things that go on. And I'm realizing that this isn't the healthiest place to be. And this isn't the healthiest place to be. I should not be going up and down like this. Consistency is better. Because up and down horizontally while you're trudging forward, it'll take a long time for me to get forward if I got to go like this. But if I'm riding smooth like this, anyway, I just want to touch on that. But still, when I get passionate, I get passionate. It is what it is. I know that that's the way to go, but that don't mean that that's the way that I operate all the time. So this is what I wanted to talk about as I'm cleaning up my station, because I'm not going to lie, I had to leave the shop as soon as I got done, but I got to have this taken care of before I come back to the shop. This was what's on my mind. I had a Facebook comment, right? We're going to talk about insecurity. I had a barber in my city, right? Or excuse me, let's go back to the beginning. I had somebody in my city, as they usually do, several times a month. Where's the best place to get a fade? On Facebook. Public question. And so naturally, I get tagged. I get tagged. Like I just get tagged. Our shop is, you know, we've got a good shop. We've got a place that's worth getting a haircut at. And so there's another barber that got tagged, and you know, he said, you know, come to mine. I'd love to have you. When my clients tag me, I'm going to respond. So I simply posted, check out our photos. We would love to earn your business. This dude comes up under my post, right, saying that he's the best in the business. And my clients start going to war for me, saying I'm the best in the business. So I come up and I say, I've got so much growing to do. I've got so much learning to do, right? But this guy says, why would anybody let me cut their hair if I say I'm not the best in the business? Basically just saying that if you don't think you're the best in the business, you need to shut your doors. I think that's stupid. Realistically, I wanted to challenge him to a fade competition. Realistically, I wanted to put up pictures of his haircuts versus my haircuts. But that's petty. And the reason why I'm putting this up here is because I don't think that he supports me enough to follow or to like my videos. And if he does, and if he's got something to say on this, we can run the fade competition. But I'm really not trying to offend. What I'm trying to do is talk to my audience about insecurity. Like, a lot of us have insecurities. A lot of us, like, really want to be good at something and we know we could be better. A lot of us know we don't know how to do clipper over comb. A lot of us know that our shear over comb game sucks. A lot of us know that, like, we don't hold the clippers right. Or, you know, if you've ever been in a haircut and you mess something up and you start sweating and you get hot because you know you messed up, but you can't react because you got to figure out how you're going to salvage this, but you know you done messed the haircut up. That happens to everybody. Right? Let's not act like people don't get insecure. It's okay to feel insecure in different areas, because those are the areas that you know that you need to improve on. Those are the areas that you need to be putting the most work in. So if I've got an insecurity, first of all, you got to practice the honesty to admit what you're not so good at, what's not working out well for you, right? And this isn't just barber game, this is life principles, but still, this is applicable in the barber game. If you're insecure in your clipper over comb game, watch only clipper over comb videos. Only do clipper over comb techniques. If you're insecure with how you hold, man, look, 3 months ago, my shears, you see how these function, how these work like that? That's from practice, and my game is not that good, but that pinky is straight. I'm building that dexterity. If you know you're not good at something, that's what you got to be working on. But what you don't want to do is don't ever go to a person that knows something about who they are and try to pontificate something that sounds good, but it's not sound and it's not good. Like, I don't believe I'm the best barber, but I'm going to say I'm the best barber because that's what my clients want to hear. It's not. They want to see somebody being honest. They want somebody they can identify with. They want to support a real human being. There ain't none of us that are superheroes. A lot of people in this industry look like superheroes based on some of the videos they do, some of the things that they do, some of the productions that come out. They're not superheroes. Those are what we call transparent attempts to mask insecurity. And if you come to a knowing person not knowing, right, and you're trying to overcompensate to mask an insecurity, that alpha that you're dealing with is probably not even going to acknowledge what you're doing, but you'll lose any opportunity that you might have had. Whereas if you were just transparent and said, I'm not good at this, this is what I need to work on, this is what I have difficulty with, they would have respected that. They would have identified with you and they would have poured their knowledge into you. Me working out 7 days a week. Wasn't my idea. I said, Bossio, how'd you get buff in 2 months? He said 7 days a week. I thought I was going to work out 3 to 5 days a week. He said 7 days a week, run it. I eat food that I don't like. Like, it's just what you got to do. So I just wanted to take a minute I had to tap into my passion. Like, this video really might not even be for y'all. This is just for me because I need to be able to express myself. Because as I'm sitting here running, I'm thinking my thoughts, and it's like, I just need to get this stuff out. Insecurity is common. That's why you got to learn who you are. You got to know what you bring to the table. You got to know what you can do. I don't know if this helped you out. You guys said that you guys have been enjoying the Successful Shop series, so we're going to keep that going. The next Successful Shop series video is going to be walk-ins or appointments. I have a definitive answer. I'll argue with anybody on it. Let's argue. Get in the comments, whatever. If you want to start the argument and bring up your points, appointments versus walk-ins. Let's do this. That's going to be the next video. Appreciate y'all tuning in on this one. I hope you guys were encouraged, motivated, or inspired. If you are, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Comment something. Say something. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to vent, for me to voice what I got to get out. Listen, Orlando premiere coming up this weekend. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, but from the time I'm recording it, it's coming up this weekend. 2:45, going to be in the build. We're going to shut down the Orlando premiere. You could catch me on stage. You could catch me at the booth, and you can catch me in the middle of classes learning these shear and these texture techniques, because that's what I need to be working on right now. At least that's the area that I want to focus on. Anyways, one more time, thanks for joining in. Until next time, peace.